Elon Musk, a visionary and genius. But what if that brilliance is not just admirable, but also a bit daunting? This is a question to ponder on. The focus of today's discussion? Grok AI, a cutting-edge technology associated with Musk, and one that might revolutionize our world. Picture this: an artificial intelligence that can comprehend and learn from all human knowledge in real time. What are the implications? How could this shift our societal norms and daily routines? These are the questions that Grok AI poses. And it doesn't stop there. Grok AI isn't a lone wolf in the field of innovation. It's merging with other Musk ventures: Neuralink, Tesla, and SpaceX. This amalgamation is not only transforming industries, but it might also change the very fabric of human existence. Now, imagine a demonstration of what Grok AI can do. Envision a scenario where this technology's incredible power and potential risks are brought to the forefront. How far can it really stretch? In summary, it's clear that the intelligence and innovations of Elon Musk can inspire awe, but also a sense of trepidation. Grok AI is a prime example of this two-sided coin. So, what are your thoughts on Musk, artificial intelligence, and the future they're creating? Subscribe to keep up with more topics that provoke thought and challenge perceptions.